In this video, I show you how to open a file in SOLIDWORKS Composer and then navigate the 3D model. Click File, Open. Notice the files of type list. You can open files directly from a CAD system such as CATIA, ProEngineer, or SOLIDWORKS. Or you can use a neutral file format such as IGES or STEP to open files from other CAD systems. We're going to open an SMG file, which is the standard file extension for SOLIDWORKS Composer files. The interface for SOLIDWORKS Composer contains the ribbon tabs at the top, which allow you to switch to the commands that you need to use. It includes the left pane that has an Assembly tab showing the CAD structure, a Collaboration tab that shows your markups and annotations, and a Views tab that shows the 2D thumbnails that you've created. It has a Properties pane that allows you to modify the properties of the parts and of the collaborative actors, such as changing the color of a part if you wanted to. And it has a Timeline pane that allows you to control animations. To navigate the 3D model, you start by rotating, hold down your right mouse button, and drag. To pan, hold down the middle mouse button and drag. To zoom to a particular actor, double-click that actor. So let's take a closer look at one of the tires. To see the entire model again, double-click in the background to zoom to fit. To zoom in or out, you roll your mouse wheel up or down. Currently, perspective is applied. Let's turn off perspective to see the difference. Down on the status bar, you click this button, and perspective is turned off. Click again to turn perspective back on. You can also change to one of the standard orthographic views using the compass in the upper right. To return to the original view, double-click the thumbnail in the Views tab.